Hi everybody, Belinda here. Today we're going to be doing the the dark light dark again, because I'm after a particular effect, so specific effect. So I'm going in with my dark blue first. All of my paints are 1 part paint to 2 parts Floetrol. Oops. And magenta. So I'm hoping I'm gonna get this the way I want it, and then I can do it on a bigger size canvas. So guys, thanks very much for all your likes, shares, subscribes, and all your lovely comments. Really do appreciate that. And if you wouldn't mind checking your notifications bell again, please, because I think YouTube has done a massive update and change, so that would affect everything really. Right, gold. So this is the 24 karat gold again, and that is 1:1. It's pretty thick. And some more white. So next week I'll be doing a birthday pour. Very exciting one, I must say. Quite different, and I'm actually looking forward to doing that. My birthday is on the 1st of December. So of course, I noticed everybody puts up a birthday pour, and I was thinking, what can I do that's different? So I think I've kind of figured it out, and I just hope it's going to work really well. Okay, so we have the green, and I'll put in the rest of that light blue. Okay, and I'm just following my little sheet. So the lighter colors are the center. So we've got the dark, which should be the outside, then the light, which should be the center, and then the dark again, which should be the inside. So I've actually, I think I'll put a bit more white in there because I'm adding a little more light. I think I probably haven't been using enough light in the middle. And I'll put some more magenta in. And all white. And in my white I have the satin enamel. And go with the gold. So of course this is my outer part. Oh yeah. It's a pretty full cup. And I might go in with, I'll just use a little bit more green and then a little bit more of the lighter blue. Whoa. Okay. See if we can move this without spilling. Oops. Go into the center, some white. I know the other times, you know, I've been using the darker in the center. Just going round and round in circles, spread it out a bit. Get rid of any nasties, little blobs of paint. I've just mixed up the last of my white from the bottle, and sometimes you know, there can be little lumps in the bottom. Probably the little lumps are actually more towards the top. Okay. Let's get this poured, and hopefully I'll stay in one place. Make sure it's dead straight. So I kind of did go a little bit that way. I was trying my best to keep in the center. And this is really looking beautiful. So I'm just getting the center, more center. Wow. can see beautiful things happening already. So sadly my torch is not working, so I'm armed with my heat gun. We just pop all the bubbles. When you use a heat gun, you've got to be very careful that you don't burn your paint. This is a beautiful cup. So this canvas is a 14 inch by 14 inch. Oh, excuse me. It is spring here in New Zealand, hence too much pollen makes me sneeze a lot. Okay, so put that there for now. Today I have paint everywhere. I'm normally I'm quite good at keeping the paint on the board, on the canvas, but today it's everywhere. These cells here are absolutely amazing. Okay, so where's that? Right. Okay guys, I'm going to cover the rest of the canvas and I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, I'm back. I have an arts and craft fair in February. I know it sounds a little bit strange for those of you who are overseas and it's cold there and it'll be winter, but it will be summer here, and you know, I'll be taking all of my artworks. If you are interested in any of my artworks before I actually get there and sell them, you could contact me. My contact details are below. So I'm just going off the edges. and I'm bringing it back. I might have too much light in the one area there. Okay, so I feel it's not quite what I was after yet again, but it is beautiful. I really love all these little cells that have popped up. Hopefully you can see that there. And there's a lot of cells going on here as well. And I think that center part is just beautiful. Wow. Well guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.